Ready? Ready.
1, 2, 3. Bring it to watch the car. Watch the car. He was wheeling? Was he wheeling or something?
No.
But he's in a bad state. He needs help.
The bus here, but they're trying to help him to that.
Okay. No, there's no ambulance. You gotta put him in a vehicle.
He's coming to take him to the hospital.
Somebody's coming to take him to the hospital. There's no ambulance here.
Yeah, somebody can.
Oh my gosh. The second one in 20 miles. 20 miles. We did one right up there in Trelawney, and now we're doing the second one right here.
Motorcyclist.
The other one was a car accident. The car flipped. 2 cars. The man just bringing a beamer from the wharf, and the car crashed over the gully. And the other car flipped upside down. Hold up. That's our bus stuff. Yeah.
Yo, where you there, boss?
Hurry up, we gotta hurry up. Oh my gosh, look at this foot. Jesus kingdom, look at the man. Yeah, bike accident. So the bike there, what is it? Young. Him crashed into something.
So we have ABCD.
Oh, he was running from the cops?
No, he just saw him, and when he saw the vehicle, he just turned and
Man, measure the vehicle right now.
He's
And he's fucking at this thing, man, bro.
Because the motorcycle was okay. And I asked him,
he has something, no weapons on him.
And he was up to check.
Okay. Oh my gosh. And the man bringing a vehicle come to take him up.
25. What happened?
Tell the boy. Second accident in what? Half hour? Yeah, mash up. Man, I come with a vehicle to put him in. Because the ambulance can't come. You taking him?
Yeah, there's a take it right now. No, but we have to ready. No. We're not. Thank you. Can you fix them for me? Can you fix them? You have to stay here.
We just want to drive traffic, so it's not no rush.
Honestly, I don't care about those. Like,
of course, he's just not cars.
No. Don't make this like. You have a big picture here, man. Don't move. His pulse is your friend. Upper end of it.
If a friend can take him right now in a car, then he should go.
Where's the guy that's gonna take him?
100%, yes. Yes, pulses. He's speaking. Yes.
He can wiggle. He's talking to me.
Yo,
It's not actively legal.
yo, Rudy, where's the guy that's gonna take him to the hospital? Where the guy gone? We're gonna take him to the hospital. Tell him to hurry up. With the doctor them saying he need to hurry up.
What about the police station?
No, I need to go to the doctor, go to the hospital.
Police station next door.
Police station, bro.
Yes, the police station right there.
He need to go to the hospital ASAP. No, not the police. He needs hospital. Thank you.
I have way more guns.
iPhone, right?
No, I think it's
Samsung.
some kind of something.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna talk to the police. So he's saying they're saying that they expect the police to carry him to the hospital. So
we're not supposed to do it like that.
okay.
It's an accident. We move him and then anything happens to him now. So it's not advised.
Get one. All right, well, talk to this doctor here. Talk to this doctor here. Dr. Sashel, talk to him about it. He's saying that they're not required. Officer, talk to Dr. Sashel for me now. He's saying that they're not trained to move him and they're not supposed to move him. But this is how we transport people in Jamaica, throw them in the back of a police.
I mean, then one of us can go, or a couple of us can go. I have no problem going with them. If the problem is that they need people
Officer.
trained to go with them, that's fine.
Good evening. If the doctor, or a doctor from JAHJAH Foundation is willing to go with him to the hospital.
We don't have to contact the shift commander to that go ahead. We
They
can't
get the
take
go-
that decision for it.
Said he'll have to get in touch with the shift commander.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
You're
please ask-
asking for someone to take the person to the hospital.
We're working on it. We're working on it. Please ask your shift commander if it's okay for you to transport him if a doctor comes with you, okay? You're gonna ask your shift.
He's saying he has to ask the shift commander because they're not allowed.
Please ask him. Thank you.
The best thing for me would be in like that somebody holding C-SPAN.
Yeah, so they're willing to go with him.
Yeah, I have no
The doctor's willing to go with him, but they're saying they have to get the permission from the shift
I
commander.
have no problem going with them.
We're working on getting him. We're working on getting him to the hospital. Just keep patching him up for me as best as they can. There's a hospital nearby here that's called Cornwall Regional or something. No.
Sorry.
What's the nearest hospital here?
To the car here.
Oh, you taking him? You taking him? All right, he's taking him. He's taking him to the hospital.
we just need like.
Now, guys, listen. Listen. He's going to take him to the hospital. So they're patching him up in the meantime. Right? Just bring him to the ER down at the hospital. All right? Which hospital are you taking him to?
Lucy.
Lucy, okay.
Fine, I need one person to lift the thigh and one person to lift the leg on the same time. Guys, synchronize each other.
Yeah.
Look on that side of the car there, so it does help. Go on that side.
You have it? Open this, open this, open this.
Where's in a glove?
Gloves. Who have gloves on? Hey, Patrice. No, so what happened? His friend is going to take him. This car taking him.
Who's driving the car?
All right.
Ready to go? Because we're gonna put him in the car right now, and you gotta go straight to the hospital. You know where you're going? Okay. Yeah, just go. Get ready. We're gonna put him in the car right now. We're gonna need him.
All right, guys, let's go.
Can you wiggle your toe? Wiggle your toe.
These are some volunteer doctors from the States. And we are coming from a health fair up in Ulster Spring, and this is the second accident on our way to ride to go to Negril to a hotel that was stop tail people. Accident night boss.
Alright. Hold on. So you can drop the seat. Alright, you have more space.
I'm willing to carry you?
Yeah, man. Alright, don't move it.
Yo, the man put him in the wagon.
Yeah. We are carrying that wagon.
Lock up the car. Lock up the car. Christine, come.
We are use the wagon. No, we are use the wagon.
Which car is coming?
This one. Wagon.
Car up here.
Come down, bring it down. Bring it down.
They're just putting the seat down.
They're putting the seat down. Wait,
Alright, what's your number?
Come. Yeah, go down somewhere. All right, good.
Alright.
Open out the door, yeah?
Come in.
Yeah, man, they're there.
You got it.
Let's keep going a little bit here. Horse is by me. One. Alright. You don't want somebody with him?
On his shoulder.
How we got? How far? Okay.
So we gotta turn him that way a little bit.
Hold the chair up. Hold the chair up.
But his neck won't be supported, so he needs to be slanted. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold on.
Makes his neck supported somehow. Yeah, somewhat, but we need something underneath it. Is there like the, where's the roll? I gave a roll of toilet paper.
If you have toilet paper on your side, hold on.
Thank you so much.
Do you guys have extra pair of gloves?
Driver, is the veteran?
I don't know, I'm already covered.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. Good, thanks for doing this here.
Police have the escort. When they're ready.
The police going to escort you here? Driver. The police going to escort you to the hospital here? Road. Hold on. Wait for the police. You're ready. Ready. The police are giving us. Everything worked out?
Pretty much. They're trying to get him going. You know.
Okay.
Starting access.
So you went in with him? Okay, good. What a night, huh? All right, let's go. Gotta go down.
All aboard.
Yeah, movement. All right, here's the phone, Patrice.